Uting sya bapa nam jangkari India Sanjay Mishra bade ruwe uting sya bak komedi haki film Bollywood menta kasi ulawan poya Shillong barwan peji ki film kasi ha ka jing pelong ya kami kalaya film festival kabala sedang naduk kasau trek kaba unpen kun nosyen la syai kasngi hadiah bauni aktor Bollywood ulawan poi ki samla kasi kentai basyan rang kilawan panyakani shondur yune aktor hadian balada pan priang buram yu
I just walked in the club. I don't know.
Welcome, sir.
Wow.
To the Board of Clouds, Shillong.
Commander, sir. Khan. Wow.
Of Meghalaya Filmmakers Association to please felicitate our honorable guest, Mr. Sanjay Mishra. Please, big applause.
Thank you. I thought कोई huge commander होगा.
Madam Loki to Anjali.
We'd like to again felicitate Madam out here, Madam Anjali. Please, our General Secretary.
Wow.
Welcome both of you.
How's Shillong so far?
Good. Cool.
You like the place?
Yeah. Very nice. And this मेघालय फिल्म फेस्टिवल बहुत बेहतर चीज़ है एक नई शुरुआत करने के लिए. इट्स गुड. थैंक यू वेरी नाइस थिंग. क्यों?
बहुत ही बढ़िया और अच्छा
So what would be a suggestion regarding filmmaking?
Suggestion I don't have anything, but the first time experience they will get next time more better.
So have you watched any film?
No, I just came.
So will you be watching Khasi movie?
I don't know.
Sir, Lorni, sir, will Lorni.
Okay. When is the program?
It went off, sir, but sir will show it to you.
Okay.
Hello.
So what's the difference between the weather there and here? How do you like it here?
I am Shillong weather. She is Bombay weather.
It's beautiful.
Wow.
It's very beautiful to be here, and so many young faces to see. So much interest in films. It's amazing.
How many days will you be staying here in Shillong?
2 days and then 2 more days, hopefully.
Will you visit some of the scenic beauty here in Meghalaya?
We are planning to go to see some places. After this, and other things. So we will explore a bit of Meghalaya.
Any collaboration between you guys and Khasi?
This is a collaboration. This one.
Maybe in film collaboration in the future.
गवर्नमेंट सोच रही है अच्छी फिल्मों का तो आगे होगा कोलैबोरेशन और दिस स्टार्टअप जब स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं एंड फर्स्ट टाइम है बेस्ट टाइम एंड आई थिंक 10 इयर्स के बाद इस फेस्टिवल मेघालय फेस्टिवल का फिल्म फेस्टिवल का एक अपना एक रुतबा होगा बिकॉज ऑफ द वेदर एंड एवरीथिंग एंड लोग आना चाहेंगे.
Is there any future films from you?
Here?
No. Bollywood.
Bollywood, what future?
Is there any future film?
नया कोई
Project.
Bhola is coming. Bhola is coming. Lots of film are there. Pritam Pyare and lots of film. नहीं मतलब अच्छा है लोगों को अच्छा लगता है मेरा काम.
ये नया वाला
Wait नहीं what? That's thanks.
Can you do comedy just one
Self-passion.
one dialogue?
One day I'm still I take money for that.
We'll give you